Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your man Pristine back with another video. So this is going to be a quick impressions video for the LG V30 Plus. Now, I know a few days ago I uploaded a video of first initial thoughts and impressions for the LG V30. I appreciate all the love and the views and the support that I've been getting for that particular video. But I really wanted to get my hands on the Plus model. And here it is before you. Now, just really quickly, just off the top, these phones are nearly identical between the V30 and the V30 Plus. All right, here are the differences. All right, the V30 Plus here, it's got 128 gigs of onboard storage as opposed to 64. Okay, the camera, it's got an 8-time digital optical zoom as opposed to the regular LG variant. I believe it just has maybe it has digital optical zoom maybe 1 or 2 times, definitely not 8 times. For some people that may be huge. You know, this is the V30. The V stands for video. You can do a lot of cool things with the camera on this particular device, and a lot of people may really want to take advantage of that digital optical zoom times 8. Okay, that may be huge for some people, and to me that's like one of the main differences that really sticks out. And of course, you know, double the storage as well. But I mean, you know, the phone is, you can slap an SD card in the SD card slot for memory expansion up to 256 gigs. I mean, so, you know, you do have that luxury. Now we do have another color variant. This is the Moroccan blue color, and I'll pick it up off the little stand here and we'll take a look at the cosmetics. This phone is also B&O certified. If you don't know what B&O is, it's Bang & Olufsen. They're a pretty major audio company. And as we all know, LG, they make televisions. They make some beautiful POLED displays on a lot of their TVs. And they've teamed up with Bang & Olufsen. They certify or supply the speakers that are on those TVs. Well, on the V30 Plus here, we've got Bang & Olufsen certified speaker on the device, and then inside of the box we get Bang & Olufsen certified headphones that come in the box. Now, this is a treat for a lot of you people that still like to plug in with wired headphones, because we already know that at the top of this device we've got the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, but this is no ordinary 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. It's a headphone jack that has a 32-bit hi-fi quad DAC. And so what that means is, for all of you that still love to plug in, or even if you're connecting wirelessly, but mostly for those that are plugging in into this particular jack, it doesn't matter if you've got budget headphones, mid-range headphones, or premium headphones. This DAC, this headphone jack, is going to maximize the potential of just about any headphones that you plug into this device. If you currently do not have any headphones, but you still would prefer to plug in, then like I just mentioned, the Bang & Olufsen certified headphones come in the box. And that's a pretty nice perk, man. That's a pretty decent perk, because Bang & Olufsen, I mean, they're no joke. I mean, I've heard some of their speakers. I mean, they produce some excellent sound quality, and to have some Bang & Olufsen certified headphones plugged into this particular quad DAC, oh man, yeah, I can only imagine, you know, what that experience is like. Now, like I said, this is the Moroccan blue color. Looking at the phone from the front, you can't tell what the color is because all the different color variations, it's all on the sides and the back. Now, when we turn it around, then that's when you'll see we've got this beautiful blue color here. And you can see that in the glare of the light. Definitely a fingerprint sensor or a fingerprint magnet. I know you guys can see some of the smudges around the fingerprint sensor right there. Now, interesting, I read a couple of things, and some people kind of felt like, you can see right here, this is the Bang & Olufsen little sign, the B&O. And people are ridiculous. I mean, they've always got things to say. You know, LG decided to put the Bang & Olufsen right there just to show people that, hey, you know, this phone is Bang & Olufsen, you know, certified, and it comes with the Bang & Olufsen Play, which is what they call their headphones. And then the LG sign is down here. Now, some people were making a big deal about that because they felt like the LG emblem or little logo should be right here, and then the Bang & Olufsen logo should be down here at the bottom. I mean, so basically they were saying that LG was basically lowballing themselves, if you will, by putting another company here smack dead in the middle of the device, which it should have been them and Bang & Olufsen at the bottom. Now, how ridiculous is that? Come on, people. I mean, that is absurd. I mean, you know, LG, I mean, they knew what they were doing when they made this device. Man, I mean, it's B&O certified. Who cares where they put it? Who cares where they put the little emblem? I mean, just people see that and they know, okay, man, you know, you're going to get some good quality sound from this device because, man, it's B&O certified. I don't care where they put that sign. I mean, you know, I know what I got. I got the V30 Plus here. This thing is a monster, you know, so, but aside from that, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, those are the major differences. I mean, you know, if I missed anything, you know, let me know down below in the comments. That's really all I've got right now. You know, I just got this phone earlier today and I wanted to share this experience with you. I didn't want to make this video long because, like I said, I know that I uploaded the other video. And besides the differences that I just spoke of, I mean, everything else is identical to the T. Now, one more thing before I close this video out. I'm definitely going to drop the link in the description if you want to purchase this device. Okay, but I slipped up and I made a mistake by purchasing this device. Not because it's a bad device, but ladies and gentlemen, before you buy a device, especially if you're buying it online, please make sure that you check the network bands and make sure that they're compatible with your network in the area in which you live. Now, the site that I bought this from, they had a list of all the bands that their device, or that this particular device is compatible with, and maybe I overlooked something. Obviously, I got this phone earlier today. I was excited, cracked it out of the box, turned it on. Everything was in Korean. If you didn't know, LG is a Korean-based company. Everything was in Korean. I'm African American. I don't speak Korean, so we had a problem temporarily. All right. Now, I was able to find some help. I got on YouTube and I typed in, how do I change this thing to English? I know how to do it. I know it's in settings, but the fact that everything was in Korean, I can't read Korean, so I didn't know what the heck I was reading. But I found a video that just kind of walked me right through it, and I got everything transferred over to English, which was extremely helpful. I was able to get the phone set up, connect the Wi-Fi, pop my SIM card in it, and unfortunately, I'm only able to get Edge network, which Edge is 2.5G. No, I live in Seattle, Washington. I cannot get 4G LTE with this particular device, and I was pretty salty about that. You know, my attitude's a little better now. I'm still contemplating on whether or not I want to return it because the price that I paid for this, it's a pretty penny, less than what they're charging for the original version, but still, it's a pretty penny to not have the ability to use this phone to its full capacity as far as internet speeds. Now, connected to Wi-Fi, perfect. You know, I can still get calls and messages. I mean, calls sound crystal clear as they would on a landline, but I mean, as far as internet speeds and that type of thing, 2.5G, nah, it's not quite cutting it for me. Now, I purchased this on eBay from a company called Never MSRP, and they have a lot of really good deals on a lot of different smartphones. And I paid $640 for this. Now, mind you, the regular version of the V30 at Verizon cost $840. Verizon does not have the V30 Plus. Now, T-Mobile, they have the regular version, which is $800, and they also have the V30 Plus sold exclusively through T-Mobile for $850. Why I didn't get it from T-Mobile? Well, I saw this on eBay brand new for $640, and I was like, wow, that's cheaper than everywhere that this phone is being sold in my area, so why not go with this option? This is the international global version. So please make sure that the phone, if you purchase it online, you know, Amazon, eBay, or whatever services, or, you know, you find a personal owner or whatever, make sure that you do the homework first. All right. Now, I'll drop a link in the description for this device if you want to purchase it, but make sure that you read all the fine prints and everything, check the bands, make sure that everything will work in the area in which you live. All right. That's all I got, man. V30 Plus. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If I left out anything and you guys want to know more, please, you know, hit me up in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you guys as soon as I possibly can. If you like this video, please smash that like button. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to expose yourself to tons more videos that I'm going to do like this one, and to expose yourself to all the other videos that I've done like this one. All right. So you guys keep it safe, get spiritually fit. We're definitely living in the last days. That's all I'm gonna say about that. I don't have to preach to you about that because I know most of you guys know that, or you should know that. And keep it pristine in all that you do. Catch you guys in the next video. All right? All right. Peace.